Alright guys, we're going to give you one more little video here. We had a little bandwidth issue with our live, so just want to make sure clarity is good for everybody. We're here at 13841 90th Avenue here in Coopersville. Just kind of show you guys the layout here of the road when you pull up. We are on a dead-end road, about halfway down it, so traffic-wise, not going to be very busy as far as road noise, road traffic, so which is a convenient thing about this property. As you walk up, we'll take a look over to one of the newly built outbuildings. It's over here to the right, just a little path down to it. Show you guys what, kind of the layout here. Here's the pond that you can see. Here is that newer outbuilding that was just recently built to store whatever you may choose in there. Some nice mature trees on both sides of the property. This is sitting on 1.3 acres. Have a attached 2-stall garage. And as we walk up into the front door, you go right into the main living area. Pretty open. Turn, we have a closet, a storage closet here for coats. Open that just for you all to see. And over into a dining area. But what I'll do is I'll take you to the left here. Here is a room that has been all fresh paint. Flooring, all newer, updated flooring in the entire home, up on the main level. Here's what would be considered probably an office room. Another closet right in this hallway, back up. Then it goes over into one of the bedrooms. Bedroom here, high cathedral style ceilings. Closet space. Open these up so you can see. You can see closet space here. Plenty of storage racks, shelving. Take you over into one of the bathrooms here on the main floor. Full bath. Then it goes over into the master. Again, higher cathedral style ceilings. Here's the master bath. Sink. And then closet space, the master walk-in closet. Take you out back down the hallway here, over into the dining and kitchen area. Once again, beautiful view right outside. It's glass doors. Kitchen, all newer appliances. Step back so you all can get a better visual of it. Make a turn over into the laundry room, along with another half bath in here, sink. Newer washer and dryer. Here is a pantry. A lot of storage space there as well. Take a walk down the stairs here. This is your main living area with a walkout. There is another, this is all tile floor down here. Bedroom. Over into another full bath. Another storage closet down here. Make our way through down into this other room. This room has been recently opened up. They opened it up so you can utilize this room for just about anything that you would like. As you can see, there's plenty of space here, down here, to set up whatever you would like, whether it's workout room or another office style setup, but plenty of room. Go into the mechanics room, where there is a newly updated geothermal well connect here. Still, they just recently put this in. Very, very high efficient updated system right here. Still, it runs and connects with the existing, but this is a newer unit right here. High-end water softener, water system here. Rainbird setup for sprinkling. Everything very, very nice and up to date down here in the mechanics room. Walk back through here. And as this was, as I said, there is a walkout down here as well. Take a quick walk out here. Set up as a little brick path all the way around to what they had as a fire pit. As you can see, as I mentioned earlier, there is a nice pond that the property butts right up to. There is another one of the two outbuildings that are on this property. Above me, you will see a newly updated composite deck. So that was all new as well. I'll go upstairs and show that real quick. Back into the dining area and a walk out onto your outdoor deck. As I mentioned, this is all newer composite. It's kind of a two-tier, two setups, so you could have multiple setups for tables, chairs up here, as well as down on that area as well. Whether it's a his and hers and adults and children type of thing, plenty of room and very nice. So here's your view outside to the pond area as well. So that is the tour of 13841 90th Avenue. If anybody has any questions, feel free to contact me at 616-920-0046 or go to markgearing.com. Thank you.